Hala. Tara. Sorry.
Naikot ng sinib, ma'am.
There you go. Okay, so here's my email extractor. So the first thing I need to do is I copy. Okay, so I copy one of the keywords here exactly as it is. Okay, so ako siyang i-paste here. Okay, do you guys, kita mo tanan, no?
Yep.
Okay, so like I said, I have one cell in here, one exact keyword. Okay, one phrase bali. Okay, so ano na, ako na siyang i-search. And then, what will happen, make sure guys, this is very important yun ha, na ang google.com is google.com yun, dili siya google.com.ph.
Okay.
Okay? So, same thing, I will have to go to advanced search setting, and then make sure that we have 100 page for each. Then, just hit save, click OK. Okay. So, like I said, you have to highlight it. So, Control A. Okay, just hit Control A, Control C, and then, where's my email? Okay. You go paste. Okay. So, ang file name supposedly here would be your name. So, awesome to. File ha. One more here. So, sa D drive, say Gina, Dominic Ochoa, tara. Asa na ganit ko? Oh, yeah, here. So, ang kanibitang name sa imong file good, that's what you have to name it to. Ano? Gets niyo?
Yes.
So, di ba, let's say si Michael Roy Jimenez, iyang butang po ni Michael Roy Jimenez, exactly as it is.
Okay.
And hit save. Okay, so it'll be extracting more, and then once you're done with the next one, okay, I took a second page, click that, and then click Control A, Control C, and then you hit paste. Okay, and then so once you reach like each page gid mong kwaon, Control A ka to highlight everything, and then Control C,
Hantod
and
na
then
ko man
hit
dito,
paste.
ma'am.
Oh, hantod sa mauman. And
Hantod
if you
wala
can
na
see
page.
here, hantod sa mauman ng pages, mahurutan ng pages. And
Okay.
once you're in the last page, di ba mato ka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, diba? And then right on the very end, you will see this one here. In order to show you the most relevant results, I have omitted some entries similar to 431 over displayed. If you like, you can repeat this one. You click on that. Yes. Then you copy again. Control A. Dito magbuot ng client, ha? Then go to page 2 again.
Hantod sa
Then
mao
hit
na sa
A
lang
again.
page.
It's the job, it's email extractor job to not copy the duplicate. So, dili mo magproblema na kay
Okay.
tanan ninyong gi-paste is dili na ma-duplicate. Kay, you see here, kanang duplicates, gi-remove na niya daan. So, you don't have to worry. One thing that we need to know is that the client is trying to, compile all the emails possible. So, balik na po. Hantod sa mahurot na. By the end of the day, if you're done, if you click on exit, diba? The entire shift, it would then create, asa man ito ni-save akong file? Kanjit lang wala ko kubantay, asa na ko gi-save? Kanjit lang.
Dominic Smith. New folder.
Muna no? 731, tama. Right. So, muna na siya ang file now. search term 3, then mo na siyang file. So, as much as possible, kung pwede ma-rename, oops. Saan itong kwan? May ma-rename ba? Iyabang gusto kay, there. So, by the end of the day, so muna akong Dropbox folder na akong Dominic here. Okay. Wala na naka-open akong Dropbox. Wait. Dropbox. Okay. So, mag-create ko og another folder. Wait And then, so diri na po ninyo i-save ang each file. And then I'll create, so diri ninyo tanan ipangkuan ang inyong files. Paki-follow na lang ko tanan sa file folder format kaya ko ganan nga gubot kita na ng files ninyo, so it would be easier for me to check so new folder.
Today we have a tutorial on how to build
new task. Ay, bilaps na naman to. Kung wala pa mo, abi ako na lang ng button. Abi, kadit lang. Back to sa spreadsheet di ay. Each bitaw, say for example, from kaning ka Michael Roy, which is kay Eugene, kung humana siya nga keyword, nagada niya tanan, so hit done. Okay? And by the way, dili mo matter kung naana mo sa second keyword, the third keyword, or fourth keyword. Ang mo matter is, by the end of the shift, aya na mo save ang file. Kay balag, dili siya makompile. Basta kay, ang importante, kay ma-close mo guna nimo. Pag i-close na mo guna nimo, let's say mo log out na ka, manakagtrabaho. And then, i-close nimo ang email extractor. Pag close mo guna mo sa email extractor, that's the time mag-create siya o file. So, pag mag-create na siya og file, ay kuig na mo, balin kag laing keyword in the, mid sa imo ang shift, mag-another file na pug ka. So, no, not that, not like that. Ang bali, sa isa ka file, each shift, isa ka file na siya. Gets na niyo? Isa ka text file sa each sa inyong adlaw. And you need to gather all the information, all the email addresses. You have to work fast. Kaya ang ato bang competition pod nga gahandal ani kay paspas gyud sila. and then spreadsheet bitaw, paki-hit ko done. Click, type in done next to kanang sa katong keyword phrase nga gamiton. Hit done, so the client would know nga humana na ni siya. Okay?
Okay.
So, okay na?
So, one text file per day, ma'am, no?
Per day, one
Okay.
text file per day. One text file per day per shift. Okay na? Sabot mo tanan?
Oo.
And si Ogre og si Alisa. Sabot mo? So masayon no, kaya di na mo mag-search.
Yeps.
So ang kuha na karon is ang challenge karon is papaspasay. So make sure na overwhelm na to ang client para he'll give us more job.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeps.
So, kani murag dali-dali na gid ni siya.
Ang
Okay,
kuha na lang,
so,
kontra
any
na lang
questions?
nila ani ma'am kay hinay ang internet.
Oh, maragana na lang yun. Pangita na lang mo puduglaing komputeran. Uy, grabe na po gihinay inyong net. Wala na nausong ihinay kayo nga netron unless og na-issue ang gobyerno. I mean, ang...
Dial up.
Buhay pa ba na sila? Aha, okay. So, sabot na matanan. So, kabantay mo each tab here na i-name ninyo.
Aha.
Like Rosel Bala, na ay si Balot, si Sansona, si Tasaluna. So, each one here, na mo ikagulingan ninyong tabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So, kung ibuhat ani actually, the reason nga wala gina ko ni share sa public, I kind of use your email address because I want to make sure that, you know, you're touching only your tab, not the other tabs. Okay, basing yung paminuangan, di ba? I would know who put it in there. So that's one thing. Okay?
Okay.
So again, one thing to remember, ha, please make sure na delete.com.ph has to be google.com.
Yep.
It's not trinidad.com or google.trinidad something. Google.com.tt man siguro nila, ha?
Pero
But-
ibalhin yapon siya sa Trinidad and Tobago ma'am dili na.
No.
Okay.
Wala na. Lahi na to, lahi na to siya nga klase nga task. Lahi na ni nga task.
Okay.
So, ayaw carried away sa tong task nga challenging kay last time.
Okay.
Okay? Any questions, guys?
None. I don't have.
Great. Sige ha, kay vitamins ako din. Trabaho na akong balik.
Okay, bye-bye. Salamat.
One thing, ay dyan mo kalimot og butang ugdana niya each of the phrase kay para makabalo gid ang client kay mo kuyog niraban ni siya tanaw sa inyo aron ako nang gi-share sa iyang file.
Okay.
May na ba siya? Bro, I think, nagid siya. Isa sa tong client is si Isa Mohammed, ang isa si Dominic. Pero kauban na silang duha. Friends na sila.
Okay.
Muna siya pinaka-first nga job under Adroit nga agency.
Yep.
I would really appreciate kung inyo yung alaga-alag ayo ang trabaho because I don't want to happen nga masuko ang client, it gives us
Yeah,
feedback
that's
negative.
correct.
And then muna mo show up sa tuwang Android and kabalubay mo unsa na ko tagaan ta mog tayo manol para lang gyud ang atuang grupo manindot gyud kumbaga. Kaya naman tayo mga mission and vision na hope gusto nato mahitabo gyud. Okay?
Yep.
Alright guys, thank you, good luck and take care.
Bye.
Salamat Han.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.